For the Dallas Cowboys, this was to be the year their infamous catchword, Doomsday, would more aptly describe the fortunes of the team rather than the manner in which they mistreated opponents. But even in a season of transition, the Cowboys are flourishing, and the prime reason is their quarterback, Roger Staubach, who is having his finest season. This week, at his home in Dallas, Roger the Dodger sat still long enough for me to aim a few questions in his direction. Roger, you're a leader. You're respected among your teammates, and you have a certain good guy kind of image. Yet, in that game against Washington, you and Pat Fisher got in a little bit of a scuffle. What happened?
What happened up there, of course, Washington is a very tough rivalry. And in fact, I don't know of any Washington player that likes me at all. There's a couple that really there's a very tough animosity between. And the thing with Fisher, that was a frustrating experience. We were winning the game, and all of a sudden we're in overtime, and I threw an interception, a key interception, and he went after me. Probably theoretically it was a legal block, but he didn't have to go after me, and of course I dove into him. And afterwards I felt bad because of the 15 yards, mainly, and not necessarily going after him because they go after me. And it's, I hate to say it's a dog-eat-dog world out on the football field, and you can't be a nice guy on the football field.
Roger, you have an all-American image. You're kind of a straight guy. Do you enjoy it, or is it a burden?
I ordered a car after the Super Bowl that I won, and I ordered, instead of the sports car they were giving, a station wagon. Of course, I was tabbed a square, and that's is hung with me just because I was very smart. Yeah, I had 3 children and a wife, and they couldn't all fit in the sports car, so I ordered a station wagon. I'm a square all of a sudden. I mentioned my religious belief, and then your religious fanatic, which is, everybody's living for today and now and me and comforts and needs, and all of us are. But there's more important things in life to me than that. Because you mentioned God, or you mentioned your family, of course you're not having fun, you're a square. You interviewed Joe Namath. Everyone in the world compares me to Joe Namath, as far as, the idea of off the field. He's single, bachelor swing, and I'm married and family, and, he's having all the fun. And, I enjoy sex as much as Joe Namath. Only I do it with one girl,
There you go.
But it's still fun, it's the same thing. And everybody likes, like you're married and have a family. It's not fun. And to me, it's unbelievable. I mean, that's my life, and I enjoy it. And the kids are, it's amazing because we're in the entertainment business. It's the jet set thing. I do not enjoy the notoriety and the popularity of a professional football player. I would rather live the quiet life and still play football. My family is important to me, and I guess I'm a square in that respect.